tundra, trapped inside a shed with only a worm. The tundra is a worm. A shovel. Oh, you should say worm it like a gun. A worm and a Remington.
That's two.
Yeah, nice rifle. With a 100X gun. I think it's the official term for that.
A 100X scope.
Let's see, I got this. There you go. There you go. You look at the worm. I'm going to eat you. I'm going to eat you. You say. The worm says nothing. You take out your sniper rifle and aim it at the sniper in the distance. You don't want to die here. You tell him.
So you're saying, yeah, what are you playing?
No, I think this is a sniper.
Yeah,
this
there's
is
an enemy sniper, and then you go.
the sniper.
Yeah,
I think has nothing to do with the Yeti.
Or the conversation. I think he's pointing at the sniper and saying to the worm, "You don't want to die here."
Oh.
Okay, you killed the sniper. That was quick.
You're going to reload your rifle and continue your search for food. You head east. It's a grassy field. You're out of the tundra immediately. Yeah, there's a grassy field. That doesn't sound like tundra at all. The Yeti is nearby. He is trying to catch fish from the lake. He watches the Yeti catches several fish. He then grabs one of them by its tail.
An hour. Weather providing.
What do you think you're doing?
Can I restart? I mean, can I undo?
Yeah, sure.
I want to make this a scary story.
Okay. You go all the way back to the prom.
It's probably, you know what, I think it's the scope and the rifle. Like,
You get rid of the sniper
Wait,
rifle.
redo, hold on, redo. It said the worm jumps at the enemy sniper. I think that's a good,
The worm is the only
this
thing
AI
that
is
saves
obsessed with the worm. It's really tough with the AI.
You must find the worm before the
You know what?
Yeti finds you. No,
I like this.
Okay.
Search for the worm. It's in the shed that has been eaten by the Yeti.
So there's no search then.
See, I'm in a bad position. I'm in a bad spot.
Tomar is insanely pissed off.
That fucking Yeti
done ate his worm. Ruined his dinner.
He swings at the Yeti with a shovel and smashes its head open. The Yeti falls unconscious to the ground. The Tomar begins to devour it. I'm hungry, he says.
The Yeti's dead.
I am hungry.
Tomar's arm hair turns white. Yeah.
Oh. His skin becomes pale, his eyes turn yellow. What have I become? He asks himself. Why am I doing this? What does it all mean? He continues eating the Yeti and his body grows larger and larger.
Until Tomar is now a Yeti.
Tomar is 45% Yetified. Tomar is now a giant Yeti. He continues eating the Yeti and his body grows even larger than before.
This is
Tomar is now a
sketchy.
huge Yeti. He continues eating the Yeti and his body grows even larger than before.
Say Yeti poachers run in.
Tomar looks down at his filthy feet. They are unshaved.
Now, you say he's a Yeti.
Tomar is now a gigantic Yeti. Yeah, we're stuck in a loop.
Undo.
Tomar Yeti
Go
loop.
back to the Yetified.
Tomar Yeti run.
Really fucking scared
Any
it.
percent.
It sure did.
Soon enough, Tomar stands over 10 feet tall.
Boy howdy, I can't see jack.
He's covered in thick fur. And
I can see
armored
snow.
with Tree trunks. At least they picked up what
But
you're
I
putting
can't see
down.
jack.
His body is so large now that he cannot fit through the door.
Ah, what? Hey, how do I sound through the truck's Bluetooth?
Hey, not bad.
Ah, fuck, you're loud.
Oh, cool.
Good. How's it going?
Well, good. Your handheld is doing some weird stuff because you sent that same message like 5 or 6 times now.
Oh, really? It just said sending. I didn't do anything else.
Yeah, no, it sent it like 5 or 6 times.
Really?
Weird.
Bizarre.
Yeah. Did you get the one that I said I might send Carl depending on what your ETA is?
Yeah, I'm just leaving Prolium. Leaving Prolium and stopping at Ralph's, it usually takes about 50 minutes to an hour, but it's like totally whiteout right now and I'm doing 50. So it might take me a little longer.
Okay, well, give me about a 30-minute heads up, 20 minutes heads up, and I'll probably have Carl go meet ya.
Sure.
Because Mano's got to pick up 10 skids here and bring them back down south.
That's a lot of skill. Okay, sure.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
I will text you when I'm leaving Ralph's, and that'll
Okay,
give
sounds
you,
good.
That'll give you about 15, 20 minutes.
Yeah, because I'll have Carl up in the north area anyway.
Cool, works for me.
Okay, perfect. Thanks, Skylar.
Alrighty.
Okay, bye.
Bye. I'm sure Sherry doesn't care if she's on YouTube. Give my Oney place back.
Cool.
There we go.
Tomar must make it to the big city.
I'm very glad I haven't seen any other cars.
Isn't this the plot of Norm of the North? Isn't it Norm of the North? I never saw Norm of the North. That's a shame.
This is a bridge, we gotta be going real slow here.
Is that the one that goes to going Hollywood? I don't know. Rob Schneider's Norm is in it.
Rob Schneider,
Do
yes.
this before the sun rises, or else you will be stuck like this forever. You approach
Tomar.
My name is Tomar, he says. I was once just a normal man. So now you're a set. You're like
Yeah, now you're
another person. You
Yeah.
just happened upon getting Tomar. I call severe bullshit. Oh yes, Tomar replies. I was always a bit different from everyone else, but that's how it goes sometimes. I didn't realize you were a mutant. You said?
Tomar says he is just like an X-Man. Okay.
We are all mutants. You're an X-Men, he explains. But I suppose that's not important right now. Tomar pulls out a red chain. Come on, he says.
I kind of like that. You become more Yeti than for so you just think you're an X-Man. That's fucking awesome. Follow Tomar. I just want to see where you just do. Okay.
Yeah, just do it. Just do it.
I wonder how the highway is gonna be. Probably better than this.
The mansion. You enter the mansion with Tomar. Inside the mansion, there are many rooms full of strange objects. There are paintings of the X-Men.
This is the like Professor Xavier man.
The walls are decorated with pictures of
So cool.
in action.
Spit on the pictures.
Instantly, this became an X-Men store.
Yeah, rip down the pictures.
Yeah, see how he responds.
And wait for Tomar's response. You rip down the pictures and tear up everything inside. Tomar grabs a picture of Cyclops and tears it into pieces. This is what they think of me, he says. They don't understand. They think I'm crazy. Tomar tosses the torn pieces aside.
I love how you got Tomar become so stupid that you're like, yes, we must tear everything down.